Okay, welcome everyone. We'll be starting with questions now. That's all. Thank you, guys.
It is a fixture not just for Mancunians, but for the entire football world. Manchester City and Manchester United will go at it today. Who will come out on top? Don't go anywhere. We'll have all the action for you live next. All roads lead to Manchester today, and we're at the Etihad for a special derby. It is City versus United. Derek Ray here on the commentary position, and sitting alongside me to provide expert analysis is Stuart Robson. Can't wait for this one, Stuart.
Well, what a great environment to play football. Let's just hope we see two sides who want to win the game, rather than being too defensive. This should be a very good game between two excellent teams.
Here's the Manchester City lineup. Ederson gets the nod in goal. Gaia starts with Davide Calabria in the fullback positions. Kevin De Bruyne plays with Rodri in central midfield. And rather than use a strike partnership, they've gone with just the one player in attack. Martial! And still a chance. Just cleared away in the nick of time. And Bellingham. Chance to put them in front. A goal! They've opened the scoring in the derby, and I'll tell you what, you can hear a pin drop in here.
Well, this is a very tidy finish, as you can see. He's under so much pressure, but his strength just allows him to hit through the ball cleanly. It's an excellent goal.
So they're playing again. It's Manchester United with the lead here. Rodri. Regained possession. Rashford. Davies. And the cross not quite accurate enough. Sané. And terrific defending to stop them progressing. Oh, breezing past him. Well, danger averted thanks to his teammate. Riyad Mahrez. And he read it well, intercepting it. Martial distributing shrewdly. A matter of keeping his composure. Oh, he's blocked it! Playing it in. It might still be problematic. Chouameni. Well, a classic example of how to intercept. De Bruyne. Chance to play it in. A wonderful intervention. Advantage Manchester United. A really sumptuous ball. Can he keep his composure? Well, he really wants his brace.
Well, he looks so bright today. His movement has been excellent.
And there's the delivery. Not away completely. Marcus Rashford. Fernandes. And on to Bellingham. Oh, he couldn't outwit the keeper. And taken short. Sané. Fed over towards the back post. Well, didn't really work the keeper when all was said and done. Well, here we are on the cusp of the half-time interval. It's Manchester United holding the edge. Stuart, your assessment of what you've seen from them?
Well, it's been a tight game so far, but they've just had that little bit more.
Martial! In it goes! Delighted to be two in front. Things look good for them now.
Well, here's the replay, and it has been coming. They've played some great football in this game, and they fully deserve this goal.
So the ball rolling again. 2-0 the score. Phil Foden. Good movement. Well, didn't go to plan in the end. And that pass could be troublesome. Big chance! And the keeper nowhere to be found, not that he's complaining.
Well, here's the replay, and it's a simple finish in the end. But where was the defending? That's just not good enough.
So there goes the half-time whistle. It's Manchester United on top here.
Well, we talked about this.
The ball rolling again, and the first half struggles of City were there for all to see. Can they put up a better fist of it in this half? And he takes it away. Well, the conditions look pretty good for the counter-attack. And they'll regard that as a very disappointing end to the move. And we very much hope you'll join us for more live Premier League action on EA TV. It's Manchester City.
Hold on, Derek, chance here.
Not out of the woods yet. Well, unable to direct it on the target, and a goal kick to come. Marcel Sabitzer. Gundogan. Mahrez. Now Gundogan. Surely. Still could be dangerous. And in the end, no damage done. Well, let's see what they have in store for them on the break.
Well, I still can't believe that didn't go in, Derek. What an incredible save.
With the registration GR21
Bruno Fernandes.
Please contact your nearest security guard. Thank you.
Well, no problems defensively. Well, just to point you in the right direction, we have more live action from the Premier League coming up here on EA TV. It's Manchester United taking on Liverpool.
Well, that should be a really good game between two entertaining teams.
And it's come off the keeper. Oh, really sound goalkeeping.
Well, that's such a good save, isn't it? How did he keep that one out?
Rashford. Not the pass he had in mind. Gundogan. And support available. Bruno Fernandes. Corner given to United. Going short. And will the cross work out for them? Struggling to get it away. Sané. Not testing the keeper at all with that effort. Rashford. And the intervention, a good one by Stones. Right, I'm hearing something has happened in the Forest game. What exactly? Alex Scott.
Yeah, third goal for Nottingham Forest. It was a nice 1-2, and then he coolly slotted it around the goalkeeper. They now lead 3-2.
Sorry, Alex, could be a goal here. Wonderful challenge, but the chance is still on. Just 10 minutes to go. Well, for understandable reasons in this case, we had to cut off Alex to confirm Forest did score in that game, and they are leading by 3-2. Bruno Fernandes. Now with Sané. Nicely saved.
Substitution for
And Manchester City will go to their bench.
number 8, Gundogan. Coming onto the pitch, number 20, Bernardo Silva.
Now sending it in. Well thumped clear. Sabitzer. Let's fly here. Well, that's how to hit them. Not quite accurate enough though. Rodri. We've had the official word, there will be a minimum of 2 added minutes. And Bernardo Silva has it. Well, the supporters think it's on, and the referee blows for full time. Positives for Manchester United, 3 points for them. What did you make of it all?
Well, in the end, they just had too much creativity, didn't they? Their combination play was so good today. That's how to break down even the best of defences.
I've just got a couple of questions I want to ask you about the match. Thank you for your time, really appreciate it.
Thank you all for your patience. We're going to start taking questions now. Okay guys, we're going to wrap this up now. Thank you very much for attending.
No greater rivalry in English football. They're certainly the two most successful teams with passionate fan bases. Stay tuned and we'll bring you all the action live from Old Trafford as Manchester United face Liverpool. And welcome to Old Trafford for one of the definitive games in English football. I'm talking, of course, about Manchester United against Liverpool. Derek Ray in the commentary position, joined by Stuart Robson. I must say the Stretford end in fine voice already. What a match this promises to be, Stuart.
Well, you're absolutely right. Old Trafford is rocking here. The noise is incredible. Let's hope we get a great game to match. This will be a feisty affair, that's for sure.
Sané. Oh, big opportunity. Safe pair of hands, did his job. Well, a win for Manchester United last time out against Manchester City. How might this one go, Stuart?
Well, that result away from home...
Oh, Stuart, they could be in here. Well, it ended up being, quite frankly, easy for the keeper.
Well, he should be hitting the back of the net. That's a poor effort.
Well, as we glance at the table, it really is shaping up to be a captivating season, highly competitive, especially at the summit.
Well, what a great title race this looks like being. Yes, there's a long way to go, but it's difficult to split these teams at the moment. Let's hope I'm right. Salah. Now can they make something happen?
Able to get a body in the way, and the penalty is given. The referee right on the spot, and now a chance for them to take the lead here. Well, some might say he's been fortunate to avoid being shown the card.
Well, I like that from the referee. Just because it's a penalty doesn't mean it's a yellow card. I think he's got it right.
Can he make it 1-0? A goal! Accurate from the spot!
Well, as you can see, the keeper just stands still and the ball's hit down the side of him. It's a strange one in the end.
Goal for Liverpool.
Well, the ball is moving once more. How important will that opening goal prove to be? Well, he was in the right place to intercept. Well, as a defender, you simply can't afford to take your eyes off Anthony Martial, even for a fleeting moment. Stuart, in what way might he contribute in this match?
Well, I think we could expect goals if his form is anything to go by. You just hope that back line have been studying the tapes, because most teams have really struggled to keep him at bay.
Well, I believe there's been a goal at Stamford Bridge. Alex Scott can fill us in.
It's a goal for Nottingham Forest. It was a poor clearance, and then it was far too easy for him after that. The score's level again now at 1-1 with 23 minutes played.
Thanks for the update, Alex. Just the challenge that was required. Bruno Fernandes. Surely! And the keeper more than equal to the task. Liverpool have it once again. Now, options are plenty. Really bright-looking attack. That's come off the keeper. I think the threat has been averted. Oh, he's lost possession of the ball. Konate. Curtis Jones. And reading it absolutely superbly. Gives it a go. No degree of difficulty at all for the keeper. Diogo Dalot. Sané. And he favours the inside route. And a very good challenge. Can they do something positive on the counter-attack? And United couldn't keep possession. And 1 minute of stoppage time has been added on. And that will do it for the first half here at the Theatre of Dreams. So back in business, the second half underway. It's Liverpool in front, but far from being done and dusted. Well, on you go, says the referee. Advantage. Marcus Rashford. More than decent this from United. Fernandes. Can they square the game? Well, denied by the woodwork this time.
Well, the keeper was beaten, but the woodwork wasn't. That's a sharp chance.
Well, a highly fruitful first 45 from the point of view of Mo Salah. And Stuart, I know he caught your eye.
Well, I thought he had a really effective first half. Not only did he get the goal that gave them the lead, but his general play was really good. He was a constant threat, and I'm sure we'll see more of him in the second half.
Plenty of players. Can he put it away? And it's in for Liverpool. Is there a way back for the opposition now?
Well, it's great awareness of space in the box, and then he shows a lot of composure with the finish. That's a clever goal.
So back underway with the scoreline standing at 2-0. Jude Bellingham. Well, they're eyeing that final pass, you just feel. Sané. Putting his body on the line. Rashford. And on to Bellingham. Sané. Chance to make a game of it here. And a goal! Not over just yet.
Well, here's the replay, and I have to say, the keeper's got his angles all wrong there. That's a poor piece of goalkeeping.
So continuing with the action, United still behind, but this game very much a contest. Milner. Now Mo Salah. Well, he's lost the ball.
This is a message for all away supporters.
Andrew Robertson.
Being seated after the game.
Well, delighted to say, more Premier League action coming up for you here on EA TV. It's Manchester United facing Bournemouth.
Well, Derek, I'm really looking forward to it. Always a great atmosphere in that stadium, and it should be an entertaining match. Well, with the support of these fans, United are throwing everything at this now.
Oh, a perfectly timed pass. Oh, a goal! Level now! The lead has evaporated.
Well, here's the replay, and just look how quickly they break forward once they win the ball back. And in the 1v1, Fernandes makes no mistake. He never really looked like missing, did he? What a goal that is.
So underway again at 2-2. James Milner has given it away. Well, make sure you join us for more Premier League action coming your way. It's Liverpool taking on Newcastle United.
I like the look of that game. The atmosphere is always good inside that stadium, and two very good teams.
Can they hit on the break? Martial. Bellingham. It's in, and this really takes your breath away. A comeback and a half.
Well, as you can see, he doesn't mess about here, does he? He's strong, well-balanced and skillful. That's a top-class finish.
Well, a dramatic moment near the end, and that might well be the decider. Time and circumstances against Liverpool, but still they might hit up. Can they cover up? And not hitting it with the accuracy. He was hoping for.
Well, he took a chance there, and he probably regrets it now. That was the wrong decision.
Number 2, Gomez.
De Ligt. And a goal has gone in at the Emirates. Let's hear about it from Alex.
It's a goal for
Oh,
Bournemouth.
jumping in. They're in a great position here. Oh, that is a majestic goal. Volleyed home with precision and style. Superbly done.
Well, here's the replay, and as you can see, Sancho's cross was always going to be threatening. And then just look at the finish, Derek. He reads the flight perfectly and absolutely smashes it beyond the goalkeeper. There's just no stopping that.
So the current scoreline, 4-2. Well, sincere apologies for having to cut you off just then, Alex. To confirm, Bournemouth have scored in that game, but they are behind overall. 3-1 is the score. Well, denied by the keeper, but really he only has himself to blame. Well, the electronic board lets the fans know 3 minutes of stoppage time. Well, that's a fine pass. He's showing good defensive judgment. Zabitzer. And maybe Rashford. Well, they've solved the problem for now, but let's see. And there it is, the final whistle, a result to please Manchester United fans around the world. What did you think of their performance as a whole?
Well, Derek, they were dominant in most aspects of the game, particularly in that midfield area, and they also looked threatening in the top third of the pitch. It's a really good result for them.
Well, this man has given us plenty of reasons to dwell on his performance, hasn't he, Stuart?
Well, he gave that back line a torrid time, didn't he? He was far too sharp for them, always looking to play on the shoulder, took his goals well too. Really,
an absorbing match in process.
Just a couple of questions for you. Thanks for speaking to us.